Okay, in this section here, we're going to be performing the adding, or we're going to be performing some operations, and that is adding and subtracting these polynomials and then simplifying. All right, let's get started. We have 2x squared plus x minus 1. And we're going to go ahead and just put parentheses around that. Minus, kind of got caught up here in the heading. I could have started a little lower. So we have this polynomial expression that needs to be simplified and cleaned up. What we have here is we've got this minus sign, so we're going to need to distribute this across to each one of these terms, and this is really important, so pay attention. I'm going to go ahead and drop the parentheses. 2x squared plus x minus 1. Now we want to distribute this negative across. Minus 3x squared, then minus 1. Minus 1 there. Okay? Let's go ahead and collect up our like terms. We have a 2x squared minus 3x squared. So just add the coefficients. 2 minus 3 gives us a negative x squared. All right, negative 1 out in front of that coefficient. What do we have here? We have an x, but we don't have any other like terms that are like that. So we'll just write plus x. And then we have a minus 1, minus 1. So those are like terms. So that gives us minus 2. And this polynomial now is written in standard form. Okay, moving right along. Let's see here. 7 minus 2x squared plus 3x cubed minus 1. Is there anything that we can do here? Wait a minute. Okay, hold on just a second. 3x cubed. I end up looking at something else. All right, let me get rid of that. Cut that out of there. Okay. We'll start a parentheses here. 4x squared plus 1. And we're going to put parentheses around those. Okay, so what are we going to do? Let's just rewrite the first part. Drop the parentheses. Distribute that minus sign. Makes that a minus 4x squared. And then a minus 1. Okay. Now let's collect up our like terms. And let's write this in some kind of standard form where the leading term, which is x to the cubed, x cubed. Do we have any like terms? No. So I'll go ahead and write that. 3x cubed. We have a minus 2x squared minus 4x squared. So we'll add their like or coefficients. 4, 5, 6. I should have brought that down a little further there. Okay, what else we got? We got a 7 minus 1. Those are like terms. So 7 minus 1 is 6. 7 minus 1 is 6. All right. Okay, let's take a look at another one here. All right. X squared minus 6xy minus y minus 12y squared. All right, let's subtract off 5y squared plus x minus x squared. So the first thing we're going to do, I should have put in parentheses around this, just for the heck of it. First thing we do is write that first part that was in parentheses. X squared minus 6xy minus y minus 12y squared. Now we want to distribute this minus across. So minus 5y squared minus x. Now, you see this minus here, minus x squared on that last term. We got a minus and a minus that makes that a plus. So that's what you got to really watch on that. Okay, let's collect up our like terms. We have an x squared, and our last term is an x squared. So there's two of them. Make that 2x squared. What else do we have? We have a minus 6xy. We don't have any other xy's in there, so we'll just rewrite that. Okay, what about the next term? We have a minus y, but we don't have any other like terms that are like that. Actually, I'm going to write this one first. We have a minus x here, but no others. We're going to write that one first, and then we'll go ahead. It doesn't really matter, but we're doing it anyway. And then, of course, we have a 12y squared and a minus 5y squared. Now, those are like terms. So we have negative 12. We have a negative 12 minus 5, which is going to be 17. Okay, so there you go. That's been simplified. And 8 minutes has gone by. Alright, that's where you can catch me. See you in the next video. I hope this audio is a whole lot better than it used to be.